Drumneachie. The ferm was a peat shed, a stack of hackett kindling. The ferm was reishling corn and a tatty bogle. The ferm was beets lined up by the low for blaking. The ferm was washing, skelping in the wind. The ferm was a bee skip buzzing in the garden. The ferm was twa reed kye, their udders stopped with milk. The ferm was swippered collies, hair as sheeny as glass. The ferm was porridge bowls and cream to pour for the jug. The ferm was summer days and cousins laughing. The ferm was ducking down in the burn by the dyke. The ferm was the stank o' gersh, o' sharn, o' violets. The ferm was the taste o' honey, o' hotrin hodgepodge. The ferm was a broch, preened in the heart o' bars.